And today we had faced Uzbekistan for the third time, and to be honest, I had a gut feeling that we will win. To be honest,
Even
I
I
must
had a
lie.
good feeling.
Yeah,
Yeah,
but
yeah, same
unfortunately,
here.
because of that free kick, dude. So
But
we will.
I
Hello everyone. Sorry for the delay. We had some login issues. So now we'll wait for the panelists to join in and get some viewers of course. We have our panelists in and I'll just add them. So we have our first panelist, Ms. Ritu Valmiki, and our second panelist, Ms. Shrestha Paul. Hello guys, welcome to Blue
Hi.
Pilgrims Live. How are you
Hi.
all?
Am I audible? Am I
Yes,
audible?
you are.
Yeah,
Please
you are.
proceed.
I'm good. I'm good. How are you?
I'm good too. Hi Ritu, how are you?
Hi. I'm good. I'm good. How are you all?
Okay, so firstly, I'd like to introduce our panelists. Ritu Valmiki, she's player. She's a football player. She's playing IWL for the team India Rush Soccer Club from Mumbai. And Shrestha Paul, she's part of Blue Pilgrims fan club. Hello. So let's start for what we are here. I hope you both watched the match today, India versus Uzbekistan,
Yeah,
right?
obviously.
Yes,
How could
of
we miss that?
course, of course.
I know, right? So my only complaint is that India should broadcast more and more football matches so that our viewers can see that like how good our players are and they could of course get motivated by it, right? What are your views on that? First
Yes,
Ritu,
of
Yeah,
you
course,
may start.
I
definitely.
totally agree with you. You know, it's really very important for our players to get encouraged. So, like more and more football promotion and broadcasting will surely encourage our players. So, it's really important.
Exactly. Even I checked that if there is any post coverage, post match coverage, there is no post match coverage, and also pre match. Talking about pre match coverage, those are of 5 days ago, 4 days ago, 2 days ago. There is
Yeah,
no live post match coverage of women's team. Like even the telecast problem. There is no telecast on the TV as well.
I
The
Exactly.
know.
telecast is provided by Uzbekistan. Like such an
Yeah.
ignorance by the federation.
And that was really difficult to understand their commentary, you know.
Yeah, exactly. And the camera angle, it was really difficult to
Really bad. Yeah, poor
recognize
quality.
the players. It was like I have to ask others, who is this? Can you
Who is
recognize?
this?
Can you
Yeah,
recognize him?
exactly.
I
Yeah.
know, I know. Even I was facing the same problem.
I was
So
talking
moving.
to many people, like many other people. They were also like, this is everyone faced this problem of recognizing the player and this camera angle and this commentary. Everyone.
I know the long language is like not known to us, so we couldn't say anything on that.
The biggest
But the
problem.
girls played amazing today. So
Yeah,
moving
Yeah,
on,
both the
they
teams,
yeah,
did
they
both the
really
played.
teams.
well.
They
Really
played
well.
under the captaincy of Indumati Kathiresan, who is also sub-inspector in Chennai. So any views on her?
Yeah, she's an amazing player to be honest, and she performed really well today. And she did good captaincy, you can say. Yeah, so amazing. You are.
Yeah, she played
And
really well. It's quite impressive.
Yeah.
okay. And if you all didn't know that India played against Uzbekistan for the third time since 2019. Do you recall
We
anything?
know. Yeah, we know. I
Yeah.
guess India had played the first match against Uzbekistan and they had lost. It was 5-1.
Yeah,
The
yeah.
score was 5-1.
Some,
And after that, they had played second match and they had drew the match, I guess. 1-all it was. And today we had faced Uzbekistan for the third time, and to be honest, I had a gut feeling that we will win. To be honest,
Even
I'm
I
not
had a
lying.
gut feeling.
Yeah,
But
yeah, same
unfortunately,
here.
because of that free kick dude, so
Like,
we,
but
we will
I
surely
felt
come
that
back stronger against the
I felt
Belarus
that
team.
team improved a lot. It improved a lot, though we lost by a very narrow margin, like very narrow one. But yeah,
Yeah.
the team improved a lot. I felt like and before.
Okay, coming to FIFA ranking, Uzbekistan is 12 places up than India. Like India is on 53rd and Uzbekistan is 41. So according to that, how do you think they performed?
So I would say both the teams performed really well. To be honest, they played really good football. We saw literally good football today, you can say. And I'd say that we had a lot of attempts. Even they had a lot of attempts, but our keeper, our savior, saved a lot of goals.
Yeah,
So
I know.
yeah, we had many chances to score. To be honest.
totally agree with you. Like, we had a lot of chances to score, but the thing was, Manisha I saw tried to push a lot, but there was no support from
Agreed,
other
agreed.
players.
No
They couldn't,
support, yeah.
midfield and couldn't coordinate with the midfield, and also there was no support from her. So created a lot of chances, and we could have created a lot of chances and scored a goal, but yeah, there was a bit lack of coordination, and there was no finishing. I felt like
Even I felt the
there was
same.
no
No
Yeah,
finishing,
there was
yeah.
none to
totally,
support.
totally agreed.
Yeah, like no one,
Okay.
like in the first half it was rare that I saw someone going up there and trying to shoot and or trying to finish. There was no finishing. There was no. That's something I really felt, but
We gotta improve that exactly because
yeah,
the main problem was finishing, I would say, and we were pressing properly. We could not complete some passes,
yeah,
I saw. So matlab, like we were intercepting, but we couldn't get the pass
yeah,
properly to our player.
probably, yeah. There was a bit lack of coordination I felt, and there was also less. I felt like bit less bad control, ball control. Also, I felt
Yes,
like
yes,
yeah.
yes.
But talking about this finishing thing, not only women's team, men's team also lacked that sometimes.
Yeah,
I feel
sometimes, yeah, they do.
so.
Manisha got one counter attack chance. Do you all remember that?
Yeah, in the
Like it
24th
was a
minute,
goal,
yeah,
like
that
whisk
crossbar.
close. Yeah.
Yeah, that crossbar in 24th minute, I
I
guess.
wish that was a
Yeah,
goal.
yeah, true.
India would have been 1-all.
I know.
Talking about, like we spoke about the forward thing, coming back to defense, like Lintoy was a star today. I
Yeah.
know, right?
Yeah.
Also, I noticed Sweetie improved a lot. Also, like she was amazing and very impressive. I know I literally liked her performance. Like she
Even
was
I did.
sort of ball. She was sort of like played a
Someone
role of a
has
ball.
commented good defense, by the way. Yeah, I agree to, I don't know
Yeah,
whoever he is.
there
Yeah,
was
we
good
really,
defense.
yeah,
Yeah,
good defense.
we do agree, but also there was mistakes in somewhere which we need to improve. Actually, the silly mistakes sometimes. There was that goal. I don't remember the exact timing. I guess in first half. It was
86,
really
which one?
no, not goal. I'm sorry, not goal. The chance
Attempt.
created by
Okay,
Uzbekistan.
okay.
Yeah, attempt. I'm sorry. Attempt. It was very close due to
Crossbar one.
defensive mistake. Yeah. That one. That one.
I know.
Yeah.
I get it.
This defensive mistake, and yeah, that one. We need to improve that a bit. I felt. Though overall defense was really good.
I
Yeah.
know. And Aditi Chauhan, she was like the savior today. Like so many saves, right?
Yeah.
I'll
Indeed,
remember
Yeah.
her
indeed.
save.
Indeed. Exactly. Exactly.
I saved
Like
the first,
she.
I'd say first 5 minutes only, there was one attempt like which would be a goal for the Uzbekistan team. But Aditi
Yeah.
saved that. Yeah. Well,
Yeah.
she played amazing today.
She was really great today.
Yes.
I feel even she did not get support today, like how she performed. She performed
Yeah.
really well. She did a lot of
Really well.
saves, as you all saw. Everyone Yeah. So like,
Yeah, that was really good.
that, yeah. So,
Uh, so let's talk about the goal by Uzbekistan.
I
Free
don't want
kick.
to.
Uh, like,
So
to be honest, from the point of view of being a football fan, like a football admirer, the goal was really good.
yeah,
But
I
yeah,
agree.
it's a sad thing for us and football fans. Can't do anything, can't help that. But the goal was
uh,
really good.
Yeah,
yeah,
the
goal
goal was
was
good.
good. The
The
free kick
free kick
was
was on
really
the
good.
top. Yeah.
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
hard to say from the from that area. That
that
area is
angle, yeah,
really,
that
yeah, that is dangerous area. And unfortunately, we got a card over there.
the
I guess she
87.
got the card also. So
Yeah,
I felt that wasn't necessary tackle, because of which we got they got free kick and we considered a goal. But now we were holding the match perfectly. It was
yeah,
like
exactly. We were
last minute goal,
holding
you
the
can
match.
say.
We could
Whole
have,
match we hold it.
drawn.
Yeah,
We could have
exactly.
gone for a draw at least. But
Yeah,
the last minute, that was
exactly.
bad.
See.
Okay. Even I felt that in second half that India was lacking, like they were tired as compared to
Yeah,
Uzbekistan.
exactly. Like, I was noticing that in the second half, like not even second half, in the first end of the first half, the team started getting exhausted. They were like that was visible that the players got tired and they couldn't match up the pace, and
And
this it was visible. That the tiredness was visible. Um, but on the other hand, the Uzbekistan players, they were like really energetic and had a very good speed actually.
Yeah, I
So,
agree. They were actually fit, because they were reacting very quick
yeah,
to the reactions.
very,
They were literally
yeah,
pressing the ball. Like
yeah,
I saw twice or thrice, we were like our team was passing, and they intercepted the ball really quickly.
yeah.
So
They
yeah,
were very quick and their speed and pace was really fast. So yeah, energy, yeah.
and she mentioned one point about pressing. I felt that India game, like India was really good on the pressing game today. Your views on that?
I would say we were pressing the ball, but we couldn't convert them because we were not
Yeah.
passing balls to our player properly, because we were passing it. No doubt, we were passing the ball, but it was getting intercepted by Uzbekistan's player.
Yeah.
So that's a problem.
Yeah, I mean, there was no proper, pass, no proper communication. There was no proper, like, yeah, proper. There was lacking communication. That passing the ball properly with a strategy. I felt it lacked a bit.
Yeah, the passing game, even I felt that
Agreed.
passes were misplacing. Like
Yeah,
some of the passes were
yeah,
going in the legs of Uzbekistan players.
huh.
So even I felt that.
And
But no,
also wingers, I felt they were less active.
I know. Even I was thinking the same thing. Like they lacked speed while running. Like they were just standing and playing. I don't know what to say,
Yeah,
but
I felt
hmm.
a bit weird about that. That they were really very inactive.
Overall, a good match. Let's talk about cards now. Yellow cards.
I don't.
A team got one today. So,
Not
anything
one, I
you would
guess
like
two we
to
got.
contribute?
So, and I guess one during the 87th minute of that goal. I guess, yeah.
Yeah,
Oh,
that one
yeah, yeah.
only.
Sorry.
Speaking very honestly, the telecast was like so bad. The camera angle and all, like
We
my
couldn't see the
eyes were
jersey number
hurting.
of the players. We couldn't see the
Yeah,
Couldn't
jersey
my eyes
clear
were
number.
at
hurting.
all.
I was like, essay, I have to just
Ah,
get
even I
into
was
the
going like this
screen
into
and
the
to see.
screen.
I have to ask others like, oh, is it sweetie? Is it no? Aditi, I'm not able to understand. Like, even I'm not able to recognize Aditi Chauhan. It's so bad.
We got one question right now. Like, hi girls, do you think with the experienced players coming back, we could run over this team? Players like Bala Devi and Dalima. Any thoughts on that?
I would say our team played really well without them
Well,
too.
actually.
And if they were in the team, yeah, we could have scored too,
We could
I
have
guess.
scored. Like, I
Yeah.
guess we could.
I like the
Like, we
confidence.
are talking about. Like, like we were talking about the finishing. I guess they could have, done that part of finishing well. I think
Maybe, yeah.
maybe they could have done that. I guess,
Any
but
more
the
questions?
girls did
By the
really well without them.
I know.
yeah.
Okay,
And
let's
most
see
of the
some.
girls are very young, of 19, 20. So yeah, according to the
By
age
the
group,
way, did you all know that? Pardon me to just interfere, but did you all know that India was playing against the under 19 Uzbekistan team?
They were under
yeah,
19.
yeah, yeah. Yeah, actually, I read somewhere, but I wasn't sure about it.
Oh,
Yeah,
that's
so
good.
it was
So
under
it means
19 team.
their team is really good
Yeah,
then.
yeah. Actually, they
Yeah,
their health and all doesn't seem like they're under 19.
They're under 19, yeah. We couldn't
yes.
catch that.
Yeah.
So we'll
So,
see some questions from the comments. I don't think we have any. Yeah, you all can have your questions in the comments. People who all are watching, we'll just answer some of the questions and then we'll just wind up. Yeah.
our
So
midfield was
AIFF and India
Someone
team
wrote.
telecast is better. Bollywood cinemas.
what?
And
Read the comment. If you all could not see it, I'll just read it to the AIFF and India teams telecast is better hate story than those Bollywood cinemas. This is some comments.
Someone wrote about what about the playing style of India. Yeah, we are actually discussing about it, the playing style, and yeah, we are discussing about it overall.
Yeah, the style was good.
Should
This is. I got one question. We need to be more aware on the pitch. What are your views?
yeah, I feel like yeah, we need to bit more. Yeah, the like
Awareness,
ball
yeah.
control part. Yeah, we do need more like ball control and ball passing part. We need bit more concentration and bit more awareness on that.
Why Indian football match is not telecasting in India? Even we ask
We
Indian
discuss
question.
about
We have
discuss
same
about that.
question. We don't know that, but even we are trying to promote football more and more.
Like it's really sad to see that domestic. I really don't want to mention this word, but yeah, domestic cricket is telecasted, but no telecast of Indian women national football team. No
I know.
telecast
National
of
football
that.
team, yeah. Really
Really
sad.
surprising. Like we have very less matches as compared to those domestic cricket matches and all, which keeps on going all over the year. But still, they don't telecast. It's really sad. No, it's
Big
really
question.
sad.
It's a big question.
And then they expect that why we don't play World Cup. Why we don't win the matches? Like being very honest, this time any other sport, no no captain will plead to come and watch them play. No other sport will do that. Uh, in few sports, I don't want to mention those sports. Even the junior players don't need to do that. They don't need to do such things. Okay, like this is really sad. This thing
I
towards
know.
Indian football is really bad.
We need support because, like, without support, there is no growth. It's clear.
Yeah, exactly.
Like, I
Someone wrote.
I also feel, yeah. What?
So the admin of Blue Pilgrims is a woman. Whoa, great to see football culture so deep in Indian society. No gender discrimination intended. It's all just that girls usually don't watch sports. Okay.
I would like to meet those girls.
Yeah.
It's not like that. First place,
Like
we do watch.
everyone watches sports,
We
right?
only, like you can see in the background. Like I, exams, I don't care. I have to watch match.
She
Even
just
if it's more,
admires
even
the
if
game. She loves the game. See,
yeah.
And such mentality has to be changed.
Yeah,
point.
exactly. This mentality has to be changed.
Like there are many
Like
girls who watch the game.
I personally have faced this thing. Oh, being a girl, you watch football. Wow, you understand? What do you mean by do you understand the thing? I understand. That's why I watch.
The stereotype is only like that. Like, have you ever met any guys like they would come and say, "Hey, offside ka rule batana." Ever happened?
That
This is
no, not
extremely
yet.
common. I have experienced a lot.
Okay, one of my friend wrote, you should see Shrestha's statuses.
Okay, I'll have to
why,
follow
why
her,
is
I
that?
guess. Like, would you like to explain your statuses?
Yeah, please.
Oh, it's all about football and sports. There's nothing more than it.
Okay, so please
In my
follow us
gallery, I
too.
don't have. Yeah, sure, why not? I don't even have my own photos in the gallery. It's just football everywhere.
Okay, so we are going a bit off topic right now. Can we just come back to our
Yeah,
national?
exactly.
Yeah,
Yeah. Can we just come back to national team? So, anything else would you like to discuss about the India versus Uzbekistan match today?
Someone wrote some channels are more interested in local cricket than our national team. Yeah,
I
I
know.
agree. I totally agree.
That's where we lack.
Yeah, exactly. Mentality.
Yes, someone even wrote this need more support for Indian football team. I know, we need support.
Yes, we do. We do. But the
So,
overall match today was really good. I felt it was really good. Like as compared to other matches against Uzbekistan before, it was
Uzbekistan,
really
yeah,
good.
really
The
good.
overall performance was really impressive. I felt.
We performed really well.
Yeah.
Exactly.
India, yeah, they
The
played
defense
really
was
good today.
good.
Yeah, the defense
Sweetie
was
was
good.
really good. I felt.
Hmm. It was our
Aditi
attacks
Chauhan,
only.
like
Someone even
we
wrote
need
this.
not to.
Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly. I wanted to say
Exactly.
this. We attacked really, but a lot of times we attacked. But that's
Yeah,
the
we
point that we
created
couldn't
chances, but
convert them into goals.
finish it. Yeah, we couldn't finish it.
Yeah, we
That's
couldn't
what we're
finish it.
talking about. No
So that's
finishing.
okay. That's where we have to work. So at least
We
we
have to
know
work
what we
on
have
it.
to do.
So we'll just wind it up and we'll
Yeah.
just say that India played very well today and they'll come back stronger against Belarus. That is on
Yeah,
8th April.
definitely.
Yeah. So let's see how that match goes. And thank you so much, Ritu and Shrestha, for joining in the live.
Our pleasure.
Like, it was really
Thank
great to have a discussion. Like it was really amazing.
We always wanted that to share our views.
Yes.
So thank you
Yeah,
so much for having us.
someone wrote, we just need to focus on finishing. Overall, we are great. Not
Yes.
really. Of course, we need to
Work
see
on
the like we
yeah.
need to on the finishing, but also we have some mistakes in the defense and the concentration on all. So we have to focus on that as well. The awareness on the pitch and the ball passing, we need to more uh, focus on that. I felt.
Someone
Yeah.
wrote, some people are saying today Uzbekistan women won cause of referees. So I'd say it wasn't like that.
Not
It was a
really.
fair match. Yeah.
It was a
So
fair match, yeah.
they played good, so they won. Good say.
Yeah. The goal, it was a goal. It was clearly
Build up
visible.
against high pressing team. Yeah. Good
Yeah.
point.
Someone
Aditya
even wrote
Sandhu.
this, like, never seen a more hysteric football fan than Shrestha. So they're breaking the stereotypical gender shackles. Oh, Shrestha is getting some comments. Nice.
Fans, huh?
Shrestha is having fans.
No, no, it's nothing like that.
save this on IGTV. Missed it. Sure, we will save this on IGTV so that you all can watch it later. And we'll wind up. Is there anything would you like to add on?
Uh,
Against high pressing teams.
against high pressing team.
The training should be, I feel, bit more rigorous, and the diet and all should be a bit more rigorous. And the climate also depends, so we should also focus on that part, I feel.
Yeah, even I read
Uzbekistan,
somewhere in the article, Shrestha, that India was practicing all the matches, like before matches seen in Delhi, and now that they suddenly went to Uzbekistan, the climate is not suiting them. It's like very
Yeah,
cold over
actually,
there. Yeah.
Delhi's climate, being a Delhi, Delhi's climate is very hot, and it's already 40-degree over there, and it's really hard to practice in that, climate. But in Uzbekistan, I just checked, it's 14-degree, 13 or 14-degree
Yeah.
right now,
14
and
degrees.
yeah, it's a huge difference. 40 and 14, it's a huge difference. So,
Exactly.
it's really difficult to acclimate with the climate in such a short time. So, I think the girls should be given a chance to practice in, I guess, Kashmir, different locations in India. I guess they should be given a chance to practice in Kashmir, and Kashmir has really good facilities nowadays, so they should be given a chance there. Then there's other
Yeah.
cities. Should go for Guwahati, different places, not only in Delhi or in Kolkata. So that will help, to cope up with the climate problem at least a bit. And of course,
Yeah.
tours will definitely help.
Yes, even our Indian national coach Mehul Rocky wrote in an article quoted that India is practicing like morning and evening both. So I hope they come back stronger next time playing against Belarus.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Yeah,
they
surely we
played
will.
really well, so I think they will. Someone wrote, fought well, but hard luck. There's a lot of improvement. I'm sure our girls would make us proud. Definitely they will. Before our men's team, anyways, let's see.
No, we are wishing good luck to our men's team too. We are not against them.
Yeah.
We are one team.
We are not
Yeah.
feminist, bro.
Yeah, exactly.
We
It's
support
the
men's and
Indian
women's
team,
football
Both the
equally.
teams to be on top.
the Indian football team. So the Indian football team, no
Yeah, it's
discrimination.
the Indian,
Indian football
team.
team.
Exactly.
Yes.
Since matches are held in one state, they probably couldn't adapt. Yeah, that's the problem.
Yeah, matches. Yeah, exactly. This climate
And
thing is
someone
really
even-
difficult.
Someone even like I read somewhere that Mehul Rocky should be the coach for Indian men's team.
See,
She is like,
Like,
"Ah."
okay,
girl power.
to be honest, people are criticizing Igor Stimac for his coaching skills, but I feel that since he's a new coach and his Croatian style and World Cup mentality, he has that World Cup mentality, and we need to work from the basic. So I think we should give him a bit more time, because the team really, played well. Yeah, not second match. In the first match, they really played well. The young team, especially in the first match, so they really played well. I was quite, satisfied with their performance. But in the second match, yeah, it was really disappointing. But I think we should give him a bit more time to improve and to understand the situation over here in India. Yeah, so I feel like that.
Aditya Samal is putting out some really serious points. You can see. Good point again.
The IFF needs lessons on how to market a sport, don't you think?
Even if they won't.
It's not
Like,
in our
yeah.
hands.
Yeah, like, yeah, should go for more marketing. I mean,
But
I again don't want to mention any particular
Other sport.
sport. Yeah, especially when talking about India, other sports get a very amazing, marketing and
Support,
ad
exactly.
support
Support is really
everywhere. Like
important, dude.
stadium gets full. Like the stadium gets full with so high prices of
Without
tickets.
even
The stadium
asking
gets
public to come.
yeah. But like even the junior players don't plead and don't do such things. Please come and watch our match. But legend, our captain, who is who surpassed Messi and is after Ronaldo, his pleading is really shameful. Like I don't have anything to say more on it.
We need at least post-match coverage. Like I went on Google, we had no
Yeah,
articles and
same. No
all.
post-match coverage. No, no, and all the articles I saw like 3 days ago, 2 days ago. It was so ridiculous.
No
Till now,
pre-match,
it
no
is
post-match.
still now
There's
it's been
nothing.
so long. It's been so long. Still, there is no coverage, no coverage, no single coverage. It's
It's
only
fine. You could
AIFF
just put up one
who.
request that we need broadcast. No, but
Yes,
One
honestly,
because
I
we're
feel like if
trying
we
hard.
had, yeah,
Like talking
yeah,
about
sorry.
broadcast, we fought for our men's team like so hard. Our men's team had to struggle, and women's team, and they come nowhere. Basically, they come like our men's team had to struggle for broadcasting, telecasting the matches. Uh, Women's team, oh lord, it would be
I
really
feel like if
shocking and surprising if they do.
I feel like if there wasn't broadcast, then Indian team would have been felt more motivated.
Yeah,
Right.
like to get support next generation. That this football team also they play well. Also, we need to support them also until and unless they will watch the match. Yeah, there's no other option. And
Yes.
during this pandemic, we can't go to the stadium. So at least telecasting the matches will encourage the
Yeah, we are at home.
kids
At least
and
we can
all.
watch it from home.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and at least it will encourage the kids to even girls and boys to join the football, right?
Uh, Ritu is waving to someone. We got some Ritu's fans as well
I
here.
don't know.
Now there's some Ritu fans here. Start by bringing in
Both are having
someone
fans.
wrote
It's okay.
uh, start by bringing in non-politicians to head the AIFF. Football is politicized at the top. Well, I don't want to comment upon it. I don't want to comment upon it.
My mouths are shut.
I did not read the question at all.
Yeah,
Okay.
someone wrote Aditi Chauhan was excellent today.
Excellent
Indeed, she
today.
was.
Indeed,
She
indeed.
was. She was. She
To
was
see
great
the
today.
woman in blue coming up in blue in the blue cheerlead. Oh,
But
again, your fans.
And
did anyone notice about Linthoi today?
yes, she was
Ah,
very good defense today.
yeah. Like it is really, it's not, I don't want to use the word shocking, but it's really amazing and
At the same time.
yeah.
One like that was a goal for Uzbekistan, but one of our defenders came and cleared it from the goal line.
Yeah. I was talking about that actually. That there
She
was
had it, I
this
guess.
mistake over there, but then team came up again. So yeah, I was talking about that thing. Yeah.
That was an amazing affair.
Yeah, like we
Yeah.
had some silly mistakes in mid and defense, and then team again got the hold of it.
Oh,
We had couple of
So
hard
anything else,
decisions.
Shrestha, Ritu?
now
Done. So indeed
Someone
a
wrote we
wonderful
had
match.
couple of harsh decisions going against us.
FF should learn from US Federation using become popular among NFL Indian boxers without much state support. We will give your regards.
Yeah.
We'll write a letter and mention that Aditya Sumal is
Aditya Samal, yeah.
You know, few things require the overall support and not part of it, and especially in regard to few countries and few things, we require the overall support and not a part of it. So yeah.
okay. So indeed a wonderful match. Indeed a wonderful conversation with you guys. Yeah.
Yeah.
I
So
really
thank you
enjoyed
so
this
much for
conversation. That was my
joining
first
in. Even
time.
I enjoyed it. Yeah.
Yeah. That was my first time.
Okay. Welcome. Welcome to the football world of post-match conversation. Okay. So thank you so much, Rishta, and thank you so much, Ritu.
Thank
Minus
you.
10 Aditya Samal.
Oh God. She's reading the
I
comments.
agree.
Sorry, okay, bye bye. Thank you so much, and we will surely come back stronger in the next match against
Yeah.
Belarus. So we'll meet
Definitely.
again, I hope.
I hope. Fingers crossed.
It was great talking to you
Waiting
all
for-
and reading all the comments. It was really great. Thank you for
Yeah, it was great
joining.
talking to you all.
Thanks.
Like,
It's
everyone.
really encouraging.
thank you for joining
You
in.
guys join. Yeah, it was really encouraging
Thank
that
you.
you guys joined.
Thanks for your comments too.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Chalo, bye bye then. See ya.
Overall, a thank you to everyone.
Yeah.
Yeah. See ya. Bye bye. Take care.